The Governorship Election Tribunal issued a remote judgment purporting to cancel the mandate given to us by the good people of Kano State.
So let's take a look at it from this angle. So who told you that Ganduje will be the APC national chairman? Then he will be in opposition in his state. Who told you? Listen, the very day APC made Ganduje the national chairman of their party, I knew that there would be problem for Abba Yusuf. I knew that he would go after Kwakwaso. I was aware, you understand? In fact, I spoke with Ganduje recently, and he told me that he will do everything possible to ensure that NNPP backs out of Kano State. And this is what's happening to the court. Why it is very, very painful that after the people give their mandate, politicians use the courts to take people's mandates from their hand and give them to their cronies for their own selfish interests. You will agree with me that there is no way APC national chairman will be in opposition in his state. It cannot happen. Were you expecting Ganduje, ever corrosive Ganduje, to be APC national chairman and be in opposition in his state? Listen to Abba Yusuf. Just listen to what he's saying now.
The Governorship Election Tribunal issued a remote judgment purporting to cancel the mandate given to us by the good people of Kano State. We assembled a team of lawyers that filed appeals and requested the appellate court to set aside the judgment of the tribunal for lacking in merit. Unfortunately, the Court of Appeal has today delivered another miscarriage of justice on the flimsy ground that the APC is contesting my membership of the NNPP, despite the overwhelming evidence presented before the courts about the genuineness of my membership. I want to inform the good people of Kano State, and indeed all well-meaning Nigerians, that based on the consensus of our stakeholders, we have instructed our lawyers to commence the process of appealing this judgment at the Supreme Court of Nigeria. We are optimistic that the Supreme Court will, by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, set aside these miscarriages of justice by the tribunal and the appeal court, and reaffirm our mandate given to us by the good people of Kano State. I therefore want to urge all the good people of Kano State to continue to go about their legitimate businesses unimpeded, as government has taken all necessary measures to ensure the security of lives and properties in the state. I want to assure you that this temporary setback will not deter us from continuing with all our projects and programs targeted at restoring the lost glory of our state. We shall continue to roll out more projects and programs to better the lots of the good people of our state. Fellow citizens of Kano State, in conclusion, I want to urge all well-meaning Nigerians to pray for Kano State and beseech Almighty Allah in His wisdom and mercy to save the state from injustice of mischief makers who are desperately scheming to hijack power through the back door and return the state to dark ages. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will not allow this to happen. Thank you all, and God bless Kano State. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
It is becoming too bad. of our democratic process that after the people has voted in general elections, the mandate that was duly given to people, to leaders by the people, the owners of democracy, the courts will be removing those mandates from the people duly elected and giving them to their cronies people because of their selfish interests through the back door. This is very, very bad of our democracy. And this needs urgent attention. If this aspect of our legal process is not taken into cognizance and addressed properly, this may erupt another kind of agitation that will be very, 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 very bad for our nation. The president should look into this. He has always preached that he's a lover of democracy and a promoter of democratic process. So he should look into this and correct this abnormally. So, those of you that are from Kano, NNPP, forget. Even if Yusuf go to Supreme Court, nothing is going to come out. They are taking that mandate from him and giving it to APC in Kano State. You understand me now?